If you're a student right now, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about how students are actually using ChatGPT to study better, work online while studying, and prepare for a better future. A lot of students are confused about ChatGPT. Some people say it's cheating, some say it's ruining education, but the truth is simple. ChatGPT isn't the problem. The way you use it is. In this video, I'm not here to hype anything. I'm going to show you real, practical ways students are using ChatGPT right now. If I were a student today, this is how I'd use ChatGPT for studying. To understand difficult topics in simple language, to summarize long chapters, to review class lectures, to practice questions before exams. Instead of asking for answers, smart students ask questions like, "Explain this in simple terms. Give me an example. Why is this answer wrong?" That's not cheating. That's learning. Grades matter, but skills matter more. Students are using ChatGPT to learn writing and communication, research skills, freelancing basics, content creation, and how to use AI tools properly. ChatGPT becomes a personal tutor you can use anytime. Earning while you're still a student. ChatGPT doesn't give you money, but it helps you build skills that can. Students use it to improve writing for freelance work, learn how online jobs work, practice client communication, build portfolios. You don't need to earn big money now. You just need to start building value. The wrong way to use ChatGPT. Copy-pasting answers might save time today, but it costs you your future. Exams end. Real life doesn't. If ChatGPT replaces your thinking, you lose the real benefit. So if you're a student, don't fear ChatGPT and don't abuse it. Use it as a tool to learn faster, build skills earlier, and prepare for the real world. Because students who learn how to use AI now will have a huge advantage later.